We're at 266 Cordelia Cove. This is a townhouse, and I absolutely love this townhouse because it has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms.
Right now we're standing in this open concept kitchen, which has a large island made of quartz.
Absolutely love this townhouse. It has a 2-car garage, and we're gonna go ahead and take you right in. We're at 266 Cordelia Cove. This is a really pretty townhouse. Not to mention that it has 3 full bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. But look how pretty this community is. And it also has a community pool, and as we mentioned, a community park. So we're gonna take you right inside. Property is centrally located. We are in Henderson. We're about 8 minutes from Target and Costco, which is great, and also about 6 minutes from the new Henderson Hospital.
This home is also located near Tuscany Community, which has Chimera, which is an open to the public golf course.
This townhouse is in an HOA, which has a gated community, a community pool, and a community park. So let's go ahead and recap. This property has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and a great loft upstairs. If you want to know more about this property, comment Cove and we'll get you all the information. You can check it out on your leisure time. And also, if you want to know about anything else, you can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.